share, like, subscribe. Welcome to Fix-It Manuals. Today we'll show you how to clean a lawn mower carb step by step. This fix can get your mower running in less than 20 minutes. Tools and safety. Here are the tools you need: a socket set, screwdrivers, pliers, carb cleaner, and paper towels. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Always disconnect the spark plug before you start. Common symptoms. A dirty carburetor can cause hard starting. It can make the engine surge or stall, and it can give off a strong fuel smell. Prep the mower. Turn the fuel valve off. If your mower has no valve, clamp the fuel line. Remove the air filter cover and element. Disconnect the spark plug boot. Remove the carburetor. Take a picture of the throttle and choke linkages. Remove the bolts that hold the carburetor. Keep track of all gaskets and spacers. Open the bowl. Place a tray under the carburetor. Remove the bolt fuel may spill out. Look for dirt or varnish inside the bowl. Float, needle, and jets. Slide out the float pin. Remove the float and needle. Unscrew the main jet. Push out the emulsion tube. Keep all parts safe and clean. Clean passages. Spray carburetor cleaner into every jet and passage. Use compressed air if available. Never use hard wire that could damage the jets. Inspect and replace. Check the O-rings and the bowl gasket. Replace any cracked or flattened parts. Inspect the needle seat for wear. Reassemble the carburetor. Reinstall the emulsion tube and jet. Add the float and pin. The float should sit level. Install the bowl with the drain facing out. Reinstall on the engine. Place the gaskets and spacers in the right order. Reconnect the linkages. Reattach the fuel line and clamp. First start and tune. Turn the fuel valve on. Check for leaks. Reconnect the spark plug boot. Prime the carburetor or choke it. Start the mower and adjust the idle screw if needed. Troubleshooting. If the engine still surges, check the idle jet again. Confirm the float needle seals properly. Look for air leaks at the gaskets. Always use fresh fuel. Preventive tips. Add fuel stabilizer to every fill-up. Run the carburetor dry before storage. Replace the air filter every year. Runs like a champ. Your mower should now run smoothly. Thanks for watching Fix-It Manuals. Like, subscribe, share and check back for more repair guides. Also leave a comment for a how-to guide or step-by-step guide that you would like to know. Knowledge is power. Link to my personal eBay store and a link to Amazon's storefront to search for products needed are linked in the words below. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.